Hello, good morning. I know it is a surprise to you that I have made this. However, I want to invite you to experience this transformative meditation with me this morning. Of the power of God's presence through His breath, the Ruach. In the wake of heightened emotions surrounding the election outcome, I want you to know it's normal to feel burdened or unsettled. I began to be moved to create this meditation for us all, designed to help lift us from any lingering heaviness, whether it's grief, sadness, or fatigue, and infuse us with renewed energy, hope, and purpose. By engaging with the gentle yet powerful forces of God's Spirit, I believe we'll be inspired to continue our journey with strength and peace. Let's begin. Find a quiet space. Close your eyes and visualize. Feel the stillness around you, the calmness of the wind of God, and take a deep, cleansing breath. Inhale slowly, feeling the air expand your lungs, and exhale gently, releasing any tension, sadness, or grief. Let the breath guide you into a space of calm and presence. Imagine in your mind's eye standing at the top of a hill. You are surrounded by an endless landscape, a horizon that stretches with limitless potential. The sky above is vast, painted with the soft hues of dawn, signaling a new beginning. Suddenly, a gentle breeze begins to move around you. It is the wind of restoration. I will refresh the weary and satisfy the faint. Jeremiah 31, verse 25. This scripture speaks to God's promise to refresh and restore those who are weary, lifting them from sadness and exhaustion. It wraps you in an embrace, flowing through you like a tender, loving touch. With each breath you take, you invite this Ruach into your body, your heart, and your soul. He restores my soul. He leads me in paths of righteousness for His name's sake. Psalm 23, verse 3. A reminder that God brings restoration to our souls, guiding us with purpose and renewal. Feel the breath of rejuvenation fill your being. With each inhale, imagine this wind lifting away layers of grief, sadness, and heaviness. As the wind flows through you, it clears out the stagnant energy, the fatigue, and the sorrow. You are left light and open, like a vessel ready to receive. The Spirit of God has made me. The breath of the Almighty gives me life. Job 33, verse 4. Affirming that God's breath is the source of life and existence. But those who hope in the Lord will renew their strength. They will soar on wings like eagles. They will run and not grow weary. They will walk and not be faint. Isaiah 40, verse 31. This verse emphasizes the rejuvenation and renewal of strength that comes from placing hope and trust in God. As the wind moves, it carries whispers of hope, gentle reminders that life is ever changing, ever moving, like this breath, like this wind. It tells you that your journey is not over. There are new paths waiting, new experiences to explore, and new energy to awaken. Feel the wind gently lifting your spirit. Imagine it planting seeds of inspiration in your heart. See those seeds growing roots, drawing strength from deep within the earth, and sprouting shoots of vibrant energy. The wind nourishes these seeds, and they bloom, filling you with renewed purpose and vision. Allow yourself to smile. Feel this newfound energy surge within you, a wave of inspiration that awakens your senses, a spark that rekindles your passion. In this moment, you are lifted above the weight of the past, soaring in the joy and hope of what is yet to come. Take a moment to savor this feeling. Breathe it in, savor its warmth and sweetness. This wind of restoration will always be there when you call upon it, and this breath of rejuvenation will continue to renew you when you need it most. Therefore, we do not lose heart. Though outwardly we are wasting away, yet inwardly we are being renewed day by day. 2 Corinthians 4, verse 16. This verse speaks to the inner renewal and strength given to us, even when we feel outwardly worn out. Let us go into the silence and breathe. When you're ready, open your eyes. Step forward into your day, renewed, inspired, and ready to continue your journey.